FIFA assistant referees Princess Brown Muir and Stephanie Dale Singh have pledged another sterling performance as they look to officiate at their second international tournament under a year. Brown Muir and Singh will join FIFA referee Odette Hamilton to officiate at the CONCACAF Olympic qualifiers, which will run from January 28 to February 9 in Texas and California in the United States. Last summer, Singh and Brown Muir created history when they became the first Caribbean officials to officiate in the semifinals of the men or women's World Cup. Singh and Brown Muir were pleased with their latest international appointments.
Another stepping stone for me. I've never done anything Olympic-wise before. I've always wanted to go to some form of Olympics. You know, it's the next thing to achieve. So it's another step up the ladder.
It's mean a lot. It means a lot to Jamaica, and it's mean a lot to the referee association for us to just go out there and to just do what we have to do as a team.
The two were jointly presented with the Chairman's Award during last Friday's RGR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Awards Gala at the Jamaica Pegasus.